What if holding in a sneeze could actually kill you? Sounds impossible, but it's happened. One man tried to hold it in and tore his throat. A sneeze blasts air at over 160 kilometers per hour. If you block it, that pressure doesn't vanish, it forces its way inward. Sometimes you pop a blood vessel. Other times it's worse, a ruptured eardrum or a torn throat. Some people end up in the ER, bruised and bandaged, just because they didn't want to make a sound. Your body is built to let that pressure out. If you don't, it'll find another way. So don't hold it, let it go, because better out than in.